Hello dear friends, my name is Jaspal Singh and you are watching Namdhari Communication and my channel name is J Mobile Care. Today topic is how to change broken mobile screen. I show you very easily method step by step. Please watch full video. Let's start it. How to fix it this damaged mobile. Clean very carefully and very gently the mobile folder Chrome because it is a very important work. The folder is completely fix it here. If any debris remains, the combo will not fit properly. If you like this information, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Now connecting display connector with motherboard connector and testing how to working. We will test it after getting the combo. Very good, it is going very well. Now we clean it once and apply more glue around the frame. Carefully fitting the combo in the frame, the rubber band has been left the pleasure of the fitting. Apply rubber band carefully. Now let it dry for an hour.
1 hour later.
Carefully remove all the rubber band. If you like this information, then like, share and subscribe my channel.